Okay, but it is go, bro. Oh wait, I could use this. Am I thinking what I'm
Wait,
thinking?
we can pick.
Suyu?
Yeah. What if I use flame shot? Oh, it's your flicker. Yeah. Oh, it's flicker.
Flicker? I will just beat you, bro. Okay, bro.
You're cooked, buddy. You're cooked. I will cook you with Suyu.
You can cook me because I can cook you.
Now you will Fuyu.
No, bro. No, bro. You is going to cook me. I'm not gonna cook you.
I will cook you like chicken shawarma.
Because you're gonna food. Oh, you're gonna food. You're gonna be the food, bro. What you gonna think, bro?
I will devour you and spit you like bubblegum.
Man, shut up.
Are you want me to do it?
What?
Third skill.
I'm just gonna defeat you. Yo. I'm just gonna make sure I get these.
Boom!
What happened, bro? Get him! Get him, bro! That Indian scammer!
Boom!
Stop running, bro! What are you doing, bro? You're acting like a child, bro!
Boom!
Boo! Boo! Anong nangyari? Parang nothing happened. Nothing. Wanna see something cool? Ano? Piyos! Piyos katan. I'll make sure. Sige la. I bet, bro. You're gonna be cooked, bro. Sige la. Oh no. So scary. Relax.
Boom! Yes, go!
I bet. Okay, you're cooked.
You're gonna push this baby.
You're cooked ka? Walang complain, okay? Ay, nothing.
No more Mr. Nice Guy, okay?
Anong nangyari? Parang nothing happened.
That was a clone?
Huh? Floor na.
I thought I was fighting the real one. This is a clone.